tiny flower wanted to be a rose. Spring will lose its loveliness. I think that she said this because we are all different. I'm not you and you're not me. We're all blessed to be who God made us to be. We can use our gifts for God so beautifully. Little deeds can make a big difference. Little seeds can grow to beautiful roses. Little deeds can make a big difference in